Hello guys, today I am going to Yogalaya University of Bali, like here in Bali. I'm just there. Right now I'm in Rinjum. Hello guys, today I came to our yoga studio, Yogalaya year-end party, and you can see the inside. Still they are preparing. ನಿನ್ನ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ.
Chờ đợi chúng ta ở những vòng hai tiếp theo. Xin cảm ơn.